You are going to love the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power driver seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.